Hey there, it's Michael Creasy here, and I'm going to share with you two National Association of Realtors stats that I think are going to rock your world, and then I've got a question for you. So the first stat is almost all home buyers start their search online. And you're thinking, yeah, that's pretty cool. That makes sense. They're looking at virtual tours and, checking out listings and stuff. But what many realtors don't realize is many of these home buyers have a home they have to sell first. So they're not just checking out virtual tours. They're checking you out. They're auditioning realtors to determine, is this the type of realtor that I want to represent me? The second stat is, again by NAR, almost 75% of home sellers would prefer to work with a realtor that's doing video. So here's my question. Are they watching your videos? And if they're not, it's probably because of one of two reasons. Number one is, well, your videos aren't that good, and you're not following the simple 5-part formula that will get your videos watched and shared. The other reason could be you're not doing video at all, and that's not really a good reason, because here's another stat. Apparently by 2020, almost 80% of all mobile traffic will be video. And if I were to ask you right now, have you watched a video in the past 24 hours? I bet your hand would go up. Here's the thing about video. It's not just about virtual tours. When people watch you on video, their brain does this little kind of magic trick. It's called parasocial behavior. People start to think that they know, like, and trust you. They feel like they've got a connection with you. That's what video does. And that's what I help realtors just like you do. As a matter of fact, I've been doing this now for 10 years. I've been working with crowds as little as 10 up to 1,500. It doesn't matter. But one thing I have discovered is what's holding people back? Self-esteem, self-worth. There's all these issues that get in the way of doing video. And that's why I'm here to tell you that Lorne Andrews reached out to me and said, Michael, let's get together and put on a 2-day workshop. And I said, Lorne, I'm not interested. He said, Michael, you've got a message to share. Let's get out there and put on a workshop. I said, Lorne, I'm not interested, and I'll tell you why. Because I've been to enough of these workshops where the guru is up on stage. He's going to should all over you of all the things that you should be doing. And at the end, you go home thinking, okay, where do I start? I want nothing to do with that. But I did say, Lorne, if we put on a workshop, I want it to be this way. It's going to be 2 days. And before people actually come to the workshop, we're going to give them homework. When they show up, they'll have stuff ready to go, like a Facebook Facebook page set up. They're going to have a YouTube channel set up. They're going to be prepared. So when they come to our workshop, we're going to get them through the hurdle of how to shoot video, how to edit video, the apps that they should have, the little tools, and many of them you probably already have, that will make your videos even better. That 5-part formula that I mentioned to you. Content, what do I shoot? Like, what kind of videos do I do? And much, much more. I mean, I'm working up a sweat here just thinking about all the stuff that I want to share with you. And then what Lorne's going to bring to the mix is, well, once your video's on YouTube, for example, how do I get people to see that video? Well, Lorne's an expert when it comes to SEO, search engine optimization, and getting traffic. So at our workshop, our 2-day workshop, I guarantee when you show up, we will be doing video. By the end of that workshop, you'll be confident enough to grab your camera and spontaneously do a video. Because here's what happens. It's not the distance from your finger to record. That's the issue. It's the distance from your brain to your finger to the phone, because there's all these psychological things that hold us back. And I promise you, you come to our workshop, we're going to have fun, and I'll get you over that hurdle, and it'll be lights, camera, action. We will be doing video together. So Lorne is obviously playing this video. If you're watching it right now, he's going to give you all the details, and I guarantee you show up, it's going to be work. It's going to be work. But at the end of that 2 days, you're going to be comfortable, you're going to be competent, and you will be doing video. Michael Creasy here, looking forward to seeing you at our workshop.